You all know the frustration that comes from being undervalued and overlooked, putting in effort, but feeling like a shadow in your own skin. You could plead for people's attention, but it seems no one cares enough to acknowledge you. It's a common story, but it doesn't have to be yours. Imagine a moment of entering a room, feeling the atmosphere shift, taking command of respect, and having everyone instantly recognize your contributions. Your opinions become appreciated, and your attention is sought after. This isn't mere wishful thinking, it's a tangible result of embracing ancient arts steeped in Stoic wisdom. Today, you're about to learn 7 powerful psychological strategies that have withstood the test of time. They won't just earn you the recognition you deserve, but will also fortify your inner strength. Keep in mind that these are more than mere techniques, they are part of a transformative process, a shift in mindset that starts from within and radiates outward. It's not about capturing a fleeting moment of attention, it's about establishing a powerful presence that persists and creates an impact well beyond the initial interaction. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Let's build a community that inspires and grows together. Inspire soul's words, be a source of inspiration and development for your soul. Thank you for your constant support and joining us on our journey. Strategy 1. Learn to be rare. Learn to be rare embodies the wisdom of recognizing that scarcity often heightens perceived value. It's not about withdrawing from people or becoming inaccessible, but understanding the power of controlled availability by engaging in pursuits that stimulate your mind and nurture your soul. You naturally limit your availability. This measured approach commands attention and appreciation. It's a deliberate choice to engage in activities and relationships that align with your values, bringing a more substantial and impactful presence to each interaction. Strategy 2. Become your most authentic self. Becoming your most authentic self champions the power of authenticity as the driving force in your own life. It highlights the importance of engaging in activities and pursuits that resonate with your true self. Authenticity empowers you to define your own narrative and shape your unique journey by being true to who you are. You become a beacon of inspiration for others, fostering deeper, more meaningful relationships. This strategy underscores the transformative power of authenticity in commanding genuine interest and respect. Strategy 3. Learn to step back. Learning to step back embodies the essence of self-respect and self-prioritization. It emphasizes the wisdom of recognizing your own boundaries and having the courage to step back from situations, relationships, or endeavors that do not align with your well-being or values. This practice is a testament to your own strength and conviction in valuing yourself. Knowing when to step back is a powerful declaration of your worth, a deliberate choice, not to be bound by the need for any single outcome. Recognizing the power to step back often leads to a shift in dynamics, prompting others to reevaluate their actions and priorities. Strategy 4. The art of silence. The art of silence underscores the profound impact of thoughtful communication. It recognizes that sometimes withholding immediate contact or initiating conversation can create space for others to step forward. It's about finding a balance between being approachable and respecting your own time and presence. Silence in this context is not about being distant or unapproachable, but understanding the power of intentional pauses. Embracing silence as a tool for deeper understanding fosters more authentic and genuine. Music interaction strategy 5. Command your space. Commanding your space involves a certain level of assertiveness, speaking up when you have something valuable to offer. It's not fueled by ego, but by a genuine belief in the value you bring to the table. This assertiveness is rooted in the fundamental understanding that you are the steward of your own value and worth. By setting the stage for others to recognize and appreciate your contributions, you empower yourself to step into any room with confidence. This strategy is about choosing environments and relationships that align with your values and aspirations, reflecting a healthy sense of self-respect. Strategy 6. Create your own happiness. Creating your own happiness centers around the concept of self-sufficiency. It starts with the understanding that true contentment is an internal state of being, not solely derived from external circumstances or validation from others. Embracing this concept leads to a journey of self-discovery and self-appreciation. By finding joy in small daily victories, personal achievements, or moments of quiet reflection, you cultivate a profound sense of self-worth and contentment. This strategy encourages you to navigate through life with a compass, unaffected by external fluctuations or opinions. Strategy 7. Embrace continuous growth and learning. Embracing continuous growth and learning emphasizes ongoing self-improvement and viewing life as a journey of growth. It encourages actively seeking out new knowledge, skills, and experiences to enrich your understanding of the world. This approach not only enhances your ability to contribute meaningfully, but also inspires others to strive for continuous learning. By embodying a growth mindset, you become a source of inspiration, reflecting a commitment to personal excellence. Recognize that these strategies are not about manipulation, but reflections of strength, presenting yourself as a person of substance, who respects themselves enough not to settle for less. Balancing kindness with self-respect, availability with self-importance, and investment with self-preservation is the essence of a fulfilling life as you embark on this transformative journey. Do so with mindful awareness and unwavering integrity. Dear friends, as we conclude this invigorating exploration into the mysteries of life, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for being a part of the Inspire Souls Words channel. Together, we've delved into profound wisdom that emerges when we relinquish the need for control and embrace the unknown in our shared quest for growth and inspiration. I invite you to contemplate the transformative insights we've uncovered. Life, with its myriad surprises and challenges, weaves a beautiful tapestry that demands our presence, passion, and openness to its teachings as we navigate this odyssey of self-discovery and understanding. Let's cultivate a vibrant community that uplifts and motivates one another. Remember to subscribe to the Inspire Souls Words channel, press the like button, and share this video with your friends. Your active engagement not only strengthens our community, but also contributes to the collective growth of each soul involved. Thank you for your steadfast support. Let's persist in being a wellspring of inspiration and personal development for our souls. Until our next encounter, remain present, compassionate, and may your journey be adorned with tranquility and transformation. Inspire Souls Words, be the inspiration your soul seeks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey.